what do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.
Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, Uba Vivek's EM Hagakatlai Tarik Risau, Ula Ong Bakajing Tohkit Dakakinhuan Special Investigation Team SIT, Kala Pynthikna Bakajing Klat No Jong heprit Insaphira Lingdo Maunai, Ibadang South Namrta, Kadai Nakajing Pangam jyllop. Hagakat Pra Tarik Nailur, Way Kana Kalais Namrta Ubade Upara Marjan, Ubajulet Kaka Shakaying Sa Jong Ite Ilanon, Ula syakem no bala pa iu syapo juvenile home hadin ba ula kubur ba ula yalam ya ini heprit syakayeng keberang snat thamai kebadan marjan kata kajaka hakabala lap ya kamet yap jong i haga khatsan tarik nailur I heprit Insaphira ila jar ngai na layeng na nongra nonglum haga khatsau tarik nailur hakapor prabajemen stem haba pentip ba ya kadautan rai halendet jong kane kakam beman dang pelong ya kajing token Uba Vivek ulaong kat ba ka ni ka jingja kampat long ka basyay la ka ni ka jingja kala mi na ka daw jong ka jingya ka ni biskin ni ka di ka jing persyang banle klem akor. Kidon shibun kidak kishin kiba peni halor ka jing tmule klem akor. Ka SIT kan shim kat tu ka ni por ban pensisya la ka don ni ka jing persyang banle klem akor. Henry ka way ka Pynthikna ka long baka jingam jyllop ka de ka jingle ban penyap ula benram. Na kalyang USP ula kentaj ru ya ka jingdon keti jong ki weipat ki beriu halor ka ni kakam beman. Da ka ba Pynthikna ba uniu kena kalaisnam ula le tang marway hi ya ka ni kakam beman. Ka jing tohkit kadang ya syakman bat ki pulit kin sabu da ka por ban IT ya ka charge sheet mariadap ka jing tohkit ula ong.
With regard to the 4-year-old, the culprit has been ascertained, he's been apprehended, and in my last press briefing, I had mentioned that the child died out of drowning, and it would take us some time to ascertain whether the child died out, whether the drowning was accidental or homicidal. SIT, which has been formed, has established that the drowning was homicidal. So she was drowned deliberately by the accused, who is juvenile in conflict with law. He's still in juvenile home. Only thing is the SIT is still yet to ascertain whether the drowning, the homicide or the act was done in perpetuation of argument which happened over biscuits, which he has said, or whether it was an sexual assault attempt. There are many indications to the latter for which we need to establish. So SIT will take some time to establish whether there was any sexual attempt. But one thing I can say that the drowning was homicidal in nature. No, SIT has ruled out there's only one person, he is 13-year-old, and he's the only one who perpetrated this. You see, there's no time frame, but from the time we arrest an accused, then we have a 90-day time frame for charge sheeting.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.